Well, you can see we're getting a pretty good boiling rate, and I just want to talk about our preheater here one last time. What we have is a commercial strainer sitting underneath here, and we've got an aluminum roaster pan, and we've just got a few small holes poked through the bottom. So we've got our nice ice cold sap sitting in the top, and we're letting it slowly drip into that big pan so we can maintain the boil as much as possible and finish our sap and our syrup as quickly as we can. You know, we're boiling about 70 gallons today at about 7 or 8 gallons per hour, maybe as much as 10 gallons per hour in this large 2-foot by 4-foot pan. So you definitely will improve your boiling rate if you use a preheater and have it slowly trickle into the pan and keep everything boiling as much as possible. That's really the key to getting as much sap boiled in a day as you can. That's again another look at our preheater. It's a $3 aluminum pan with a few small holes poked in the bottom. It's slowly dripping in. We dump in about 2 gallons there. It takes it about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes for it to drip all the way in. And at that same time, we're boiling off at about that same pace. So everything stays even, and we get a nice boiling rate going for our sap.